Mzansi, welcome back to Mgososa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Musamseleko engas Mzansi ngemva kokuthi avela crop out leya picture lebina makwampilo Mpilo's biological mom ye-graduation, and people felt ukuthi hayi lo babelona engathi uthakakhona ukuqabanga kahle. So uma Khumalo umkhulisele kuMpilo, but uMpilo une-biological mom yakhe and biological mama wamaKhumalo uZandile Zungu akakasamlahle kuMpilo. Then why now umusa acting ngazuthi mhlambe lo make wamlahla uthi Mambovu SA hawu babakhe. So she was shocked after abone crop emakwampilo. Uthi asisanda, we saw this picture, why did you crop Mpilo's mom? Umntwana is raised by many mothers and Mpilo is blessed to have two moms, so please don't do lento oyenzako. Both of them contributed to whom Mpilo is. Ayebo lo tata uthi zibuyile yena from Seleku side ay bantu ayikho lento. So people are just shocked ukuthi hayibo sayibona le picture man ukuthi beyinama kwaMpilo her biological mom umcropheleni out, now giving a credit to uMaKhumalo only, knowing very well ukuthi makwaMpilo akazange amlahle akuMpilo your wife uMaKhumalo waqela kumkhulisa since yena anganamntwana. Uthi Phemba kumsele kusekumele uyeke ukudlala Instagram. Uthi sisizwe lo baba uright mara maybe someone should manage his accounts, his social media accounts, because what. So people are saying ukuthi maybe udzinga kuba ne-manager manu umusa msele kuba manage basho ukuthi into leso ungayipost or bampostele, because cha lo babe like he's really getting old and ekhuleni kwakhe, so wenda tinto ngendlela mani lephambukile. People are saying ukuthi cha there was no need for him ukuthi acrope le picture leveta uma kwaMpilo avela vete awuMaKhumalo kuphela. Uthi Themba lami yanda lo baba kahle kahle uyakwazi ukubeka amazwi ngendlela ehlelekile ngokubona kwami. Uthi Mrs. Sugar Wilson, reflecting to the serving lol, congratulations to Mpilo and well done to moms who worked hand in hand in raising a beautiful and focused girl. Nisebenzile both mom and uMakhe umhle umsebenzi wenu. Uthi Thandekile mina ngibonga both ladies for raising her. So people are not standing with uMaKhumalo lana, giving uMaKhumalo flowers kuphela, they are also giving uMakwaMpilo ukuthi they both did imsebenzi alonqomeka kungani manje awumusa msele kusekanike credit yonke kuMaKhumalo azagcine aya as far as cropping out Mpilo's biological mom. So people are just shocked ukuthi umkhipheleni uMakwaMpilo, why did you crop the picture? Because the picture thina sayibona mayiphelile ukuthi benjani, then wena now uyayicropa because wena ufuna kunika yonke credit akuMaKhumalo. Why? So people are saying ukuthi Musa Msele kushem he's really getting old, and so wenda tinto ngendlela lephambukile njena uyofila njani awuZandile Zungu makwaMpilo uma sekayibona le picture ukuthi hayi phela abengikhona nami ku-graduation, but they decided to crop me out so that batokhona kahle kuposta uMaKhumalo as if yena nguye lo wende wonke emsebenzi kube ngazi ukuthi mina ngamlahla uMpilo. Uthi noluthando qhawe ukwazi ukukhuluma. Uthi Mthembu Musa, are you okay? 6 days after graduation kukhona into ekudlayo guilt. Uthi Ntokozo Mlangeni ake ithathwe le phone, hayi mani uyathanda ukusibona sikhuluma lo mbhemu. Uthi Charis worshipers heart, why mara? People really felt sorry shame for uMakwaMpilo ukuthi why endwe ngale ndlela. This is so sad, akakudeserve lokho. Why sekufuna manje bamende ngazuthi ungumake lo walahla mntwana wakhe ukuze mntwana wakhe agcine sekakhuliswa nguMaKhumalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.